Hey, hi, this is Michelle Christie, your online visibility coach. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to configure your checkout on Builderall. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what your Builderall dashboard looks like. I'm going to tap on Pixel Perfect Builder. Once I enter here, I will see all the websites I have, and I'll also be able to create a new site. So what we're going to do is actually start with a blank canvas. That's how I like to work. As I build my templates, go ahead and tap on New Website. Once that opens up, I am going to select a blank page. Now, you can select a template. There are plenty of templates that you can use, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on blank page. I'm going to edit this blank page, and it has nothing, no header, footer. It's just a blank canvas, okay? So once that opens up, I'm going to add on a checkout. Now, let's go ahead and pretend that we have our product, we have our offer, we have our page set up, and all I need is to show you how to have someone purchase your product or your service and check out. The first thing that you will need to do is to save your template. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap on save. We'll call this one test. Tap on send. And then tap on save. All right, so now that we've saved our layout, we can go over here to the plus sign and we'll scroll down to checkout. Here we'll tap on checkout. And as you see, there are some options to choose from. Now you can select any of these the way that you like. Let's just go ahead and tap on, let's do the one-step checkout for this tutorial. All right, we're going to move that down a bit so that it shows up. Okay. All right. So the next thing that you want to do is to go ahead and right click to change your offer. So let's go ahead and do that. Here you can add an image. We're just going to tap into it and it will take me to my images. Now, what's nice inside of Builderall is that you can go to the image collection tab and there are images here, or you can upload my files, or you have a GIF or a GIF collection. Let's just go ahead and use this one for our example. Tap on confirm, and it added the image there for the product. Next, we want to add in a title for our offer. So let's go ahead and call this one a test offer. Description, you need to type something into the description as well. So we'll go ahead and do just test description. We would connect a thank you page if we had a thank you page, or we would just leave it as is. If you had a downsell page, you would connect there. Here you want to set up your offer payment. Now you've already connected your PayPal or your payment method inside of Builderall. So you would tap here and we're going to select PayPal. Next, we want to make sure that we have US dollar or the country of your currency selected here. If there's an expiration date, you would add it here. You can also add an automated email theme. I don't usually do that. I leave that blank. Here we also can connect it to a mailing boss list. I'm going to leave that blank for now. You can also set up webhooks. That's a totally different training. I'll leave that blank as well. You can also select from coupons if you have coupons here. Then we're just going to tap on next. Now that we have our item here, item 1, we can go ahead and tap into it and we'll repeat the same steps. So we're going to add an image. We'll select this image from our image collection. Again, we'll call this test offer. This is where you will set your price. I'll leave it at $10, but you can change it to whatever the price is for your product. Here we want to go ahead and add a description. So we'll call it test description. And here you can offer a discount on the item. Now, you want to pay attention to what happens next when someone has paid. So here you can set up your members area, and then you would select the member area that you would like your customer to go to. You can set recurrent payments here. Here you have options. You can set up things like your upsell message. You have optional themes that you can use, as well as sending out an email message. This is where you can include shipping if it's something that you're shipping, like a physical product. And here, which is the one that we use most here for ourselves and for clients, is the e-learning. Now, inside of the e-learning, you will have a list of your offers and your products. So let's just go ahead and select the passive income planner. Let's say that's what they're purchasing here. So we'll select the passive income planner and then we'll tap on Save. Tap on Configure, and you'll see that your offer is populated here. Now, there are a few additional things that you can do to style your offer since we're using this template. Right click. You can choose a default. You can choose to make 2 columns. You can choose to make it big. I'm just going to set it to default. With the text configuration, you can select your font. You can select a personal information title if you wanted to add that as well, the font size. So you can style it to make it look just the way you'd like. So instead of this saying offer, for example, I can add the name of the product. I can add my company name if I wanted to do that as well. So let's go ahead and add in Max Women. Here you would change the name of this text button. Let's go ahead and add a stronger call to action. Here's the upsell offer. Here is the enable downsell button if you had an upsell or a downsell. Here's where you can set the color as well for how your page would look. Okay, so you can change all of that. So let's say I wanted to change the color of the button to my brand. I would tap into more colors and I would include my color code. And just tap on enter. I can save that color code for future reference if I wanted to, and it's added to my favorites. I can also delete any color that I don't need here in my favorites, okay? Tap on OK, tap on confirm, and the changes have been made. I actually like the 2 columns, so I'm going to go back in and configure. I will set this to 2 columns and tap on confirm. Now I have my checkout configured the way that I would like. I want this to maybe stand out a bit, so I will go ahead and tap into configure. So on the offers title color, I'm going to change that to white so that it pops. Tap on OK, tap on confirm, and it changes here. Now that I have my checkout the way that I would like it to look, I'll just go ahead and tap on save. Now, when someone taps on your call to action, buy now, or your test product, they will go directly to this page. So this is how you configure your checkout inside of Builderall.